Okay. Now this is what your step 2. Now we will move to the step 3. That is already simplified. So step 1, step 2. Now we'll check whether the production is in this format. That is a A1 less than equal to AJ. Okay, means what the left hand side variable index must be less than or equal to the variable index which is at the first at the right hand side. So we'll check for this variable A1 and A2. So 1 is less than 2. Yes. So this production follows this rule. This production follows this rule. So we'll need to work on this. Now we'll check whether the certain productions A2 produces A1. So this 2 is greater than this one. This 2 is greater than this one. So it is not in this format. So now we have to work on this. We have to work on this. So what will we write? In production, A2 produces A1. A1 is not in format. Not in format. AI less than or equal to AJ. Okay. So convert into format. So convert into format. So this production is not in that format. AI must be less than equal to J. So 2 is greater than 1. So it need to be worked. Now, how to make this in that format? Use of the substitution method. Use of the substitution method. So we will now substitute. Now, how we will substitute? Now this production A2 produces A1 A1. Okay. Now how will A1? Now the production given for the A1 is A1 produces A2 A2. So can I replace this A1 with A2 A2? Yes, I can replace this A1 with the A2 A2 and again A also. So these two productions are given. So what we will do is substitute A1, substitute A1. So this will become A2 will become A2, and this A1. Only first. I'm just substituting only the first variable because we are interested into the first variable. First variable. So I'm just replacing this first A1 with the A2 A2. So because it becomes A2 A2 for this, and this will remain as it is. Again, so A1 is having the two productions, this and this. So only one is not, we cannot replace only the one production. So again, we have to replace this. So it will become A1. So this A1 will be replaced by A, and this A1, original A1 will remain as it is. Okay. So the both productions, A1, A2, A2 and A1, A. So using that both productions of A1, I am getting, and with the help of the substitution, I am getting this production. Now this I is equal to J. This I is equal to J. Yes. So now this is in the given format. This is in the given format. So onwards we'll use this. Onwards we'll use these productions because now this production is now converted into this production, which is in the format called as a AI is less than equal to AJ. Okay. After this, remove the left recursion, if any. If there is any left recursion present in your production, so we'll remove that left recursion. We'll remove that left recursion. So we'll just rewrite the final productions. So which productions we are getting? Step 3. Step 3. So which production we are having now? This production, because it is already into the A1 produces A2, A2 or A. This is the original production of A1. Yes. So we worked on this. We work on this. So now instead of this A2, what we have got? This. So A2 produces A2, A2, A1 or A1. Okay. So this production is now this production. So, and again A2 is having B. So that original production will remain as it is. So for this single production, now we are having these two productions. So these productions we are having for the further process, Now, what step 3 is saying? If it has any left recursion, remove the left recursion. Remove the left recursion. Now we'll check whether there is any left recursion present over here. So A1, A2, no left recursion. But here A2 produces A2. So this leftmost variable on the right hand side is similar to the left variable. So this is what your left recursion is. Now we have to remove this left recursion. We already know how to remove the left recursion. So now remove the left recursion. Remove left recursion. Production. So how we are removing that production? A is what? Beta B or beta. And what is the capital B? Capital B is the alpha B and alpha. So this is what you are removing the left recursion. How to remove the left recursion? So this formula, use this formula to remove the left recursion. Now in this, what is the alpha and what is the beta here? So what is the first? We'll find out the beta. So what is the beta? This is what your beta. So we'll say here the beta equal to AA1 as well as we are having the 2 beta. And what is the alpha? Alpha is what? Of the left recursion variable. So after that, whatever we are having is called as alpha. And the alpha is A2, A1. So after the left recursion variable, whatever we are having, that we'll call it as the alpha. So now we are having the alpha, this, and we are having the 2 beta. So using these two formula, again rewrite this production. Again rewrite this production. Only this production because it is having the left recursion. So how we will write this again? So A2 produces beta B. What is the beta here? A1 capital B, beta B. This is what your beta and variable B. Beta B or beta. Beta is what? AA1. This is with the help of the first beta. And what about the second beta? A2 produces, if I am using this second beta, so beta B or beta. So we are having the 2 variables, 2 beta, so we will get these 2. And what about the B variable here? B variable produces new variable. What is the new variable? Alpha B. What is the alpha here? Alpha is A2, A1. So A2, A1, alpha B or alpha A2, A1. So here this is what left without left recursion. This is what without left recursion. Without left recursion. Okay. Now here we are having the A1, A2, A3 like this variable. So what we will do? We'll just rename this instead of B. We'll just new variable what we are taking. So we'll take it as a B2. So because it is removing the recursion of the A2. So we'll use the B2 variable. So these productions are without the left recursion. We'll check A2 first variable, A2 first variable, A2 B2 first variable. So there is no left recursion. So this is what you are without left recursion. So after removing the left recursion, what is the last step? Last step to convert the grammar into the GNF with the help of the substitution method. So whatever the grammar we are having, if the grammar are not into the GNF, we will use the substitution method to convert it into the GNF. Now the last grammar what we are getting. So this grammar are for this, only for this. So we'll just remove this, remove this. So here A2. Okay. So the last grammar what we are having is called as A1 with this, A2 with this, and this grammar. Okay. So these are our last grammar. So out of this, we will check whether which grammars are into the GNF. A1 produces A is into the GNF. Yes. A2 produces A1. Yes. Starting with terminal and the variable into the GNF. A2 is into the GNF. So A1, A produces A GNF, A2 produces small terminal A1 is GNF, A2 produces B is in the GNF. Now out of this, A2 produces A1, yes, into the GNF because the terminal and after that the 0 or more variables. So A2 produces, yes, terminal and the 0 or more variables, yes. This is again into the GNF. A2 produces terminal variable, A2 produces terminal, it is also into the GNF. So now B2 produces A2, A1, B2, so not starting with the terminal. So this production we have to convert into the GNF with the help of the substitution. And B2 produces A2, A1. Yes, this is again not starting with the terminal. So there are the three productions which require to convert into the GNF with the help of the substitution.